Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today I am actually going to be reviewing another Michael Kors wallet. Wallet, card holder, I guess wallet. And this one right here. And I got this from outlet store, actually, the Michael Kors outlet store here. So let's just get on with it without wasting time. There it is. It's kind of this silver gray metallic color, silver gray metallic color, and I'll tell you in a minute what it's called and what the color is called. So, and then, so let me show you how. Actually, let me be right here. I feel like the sun is like reflecting on it, so I'm gonna, yeah, this is fine. Okay, so this one is called the Jet Set Travel Carryall. Jet Set Travel Carryall. So it's called the Jet Set Travel Carryall, and after that it's written LTR. I don't know what that means. Is it letter? Because it's not leather, because there is also leather word after that. The color is called nickel, and this was actually like you can see here, it says 159.99, and it was further on sale. So I actually got it for like I have the receipt right. So I actually got it for $60. So it's like $59.96 something. So that is how much I got it for. So for that price, I think it's good. I don't know what the original price was, like that tag here, you know, where that other price is, MSRP price is not there. So I don't know how much originally, but it was on sale already for $159.99. And then I got further clearance on that. So the hardware is silver. It's written in silver here. It is silver hardware. It has that engraving here, the Michael Kors. Hold on, trying to hold it in the right direction. Okay, there you go. So you see the engraving there. It says Michael Kors, and it's just a press button. It's not a magnetic handbag. So there it is written Michael Kors, and then inside you will see it just has space for card holders, but so you can see how the wordings are. It's just written Michael Kors, full words like Michael Kors inside. The fabric is like that, typically the way it would look in an outlet store. And then it has this compartment here, and then card holder spaces, and I don't know how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 spaces there, card holder spaces. And after that you have, yeah, the space right there, and then the zip compartment. And then on this side again you have the card holder. You can keep again more card holders there, 4 more, and then the space here, empty space there, and then it's like a pocket here. I have like a separation here, like a pocket here. So okay, from here it looks better. Okay, so that is how it looks inside. So this one is a zip compartment right here, a zip pocket that you can put stuff in. So that is it. Really nothing too much to it. I'm going to give you a closer look up, a close up, I mean. So there, and then on the back there is a open pocket here also, actually, right there. But I don't know what I would keep there, like could keep some receipts or something here maybe. So there's a space there. Now the reason I got it, or I don't like this small ones, because I want to be able to keep like few things at least, like my key holder or my key, you know, my car key, my house key, and stuff like that, right? So so that's why I was like, this is like only like a party kind of wallet that you can take to parties and stuff. But what I liked was that I tried my phone in it and it fit. Now if I change the phone, I am sure that that may not fit anymore, but the current phone actually fit in it. So this size fits in it. So this is like my Samsung S5 Active. So this one, Samsung Galaxy S5 Active. So that size is what would fit in this. So if I keep the phone, I will still be able to close it. So that is like one reason I got it, because then it would be good for parties and stuff, because all I would want is to keep like a key here, you know, on the side somewhere, and then my phone, I should be able to keep my phone, and then few cards and cash or whatever, right? So there you go. So this was really cute, and I wanted this kind of this silver color, or it's called nickel actually. The color is called nickel. So let me just give a close up. Actually the close up may not work because the sun is glaring too much, but let me just show only that. Okay, there it is, the Michael Kors, and next inside, and that is how the material, like inside also it's like gray color, grayish, the fabric is gray. Then the Michael Kors there. So it's, I like it, it's cute. Now without the sun glare. Okay, there. Actually this far was better. So that's it guys, really nothing much to it. So it's called, again it was called the Carryall, the Jet Set Travel Carryall leather wallet. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys, take care.